and welcome back to Platinum Off-Road. This video we're going to talk to you guys about the Mahindra ROXOR. Now this is a UTV categorized vehicle that's coming out in the market. A lot of guys are going to them because the 4-cylinder turbo diesel, it's pretty neat. It's got dual solid axle drivetrain, and so far just playing with it here around the shop we've been pretty impressed. However, for some of you guys that are looking at it, you can see that it's got a very oriental looking grill. Nothing that's too attractive about it. So there is a product by On The Rox. Now what they did is they provided a grill that replicates close to the CJ grill, but it's got 6 slots. It will not have the 7. So anyways, we're going to look at how to get this on, and we're going to show you guys, if you're looking to put this on yours or do a grill swap, how you guys can do it there at your home garage. When you first look at the grill, you're going to be coming to the back side of it, and you're going to notice that from the front side first that there's nowhere to mount, or I guess no bolts or screws that are screwing it in or mounting to it. This weather stripping itself, it's got Christmas tree tabs and push lock style tabs, little metal style over here. But however, if you come in here, you can start to pull this back, and you can see it's similar to the JKs, how they have those little clips that are going to pop it in. If we can get it, there we go. Anyways, those clips are throughout the whole grill itself. However, at the headlight point, you're going to have 3 screws or bolts that are coming in from the headlight bezel itself. They are going to be a 10 mil nut, so we need to go ahead and get that off. We've already done the driver's side, but we're going to go to the passenger and get them off, and we'll keep progressing and removing this grill clip. So with each of the headlights off, again, come back here to those push type tabs, similar to what was on the JK Jeeps. Anyways, you're going to come back and you're going to find those, and you're literally just going to push on them. And as you do that from the outside, you're going to be able to go ahead and pull the entire grill clip off. And then we'll go ahead and see about getting this one off and getting the On The Rox on. Underneath the grill, you're going to see just behind the bumper, you're going to have an Allen bolt here. And it's a size 4 Allen. Once you get the grill insert on, you're going to use this lower bolt down here to go ahead and stabilize it. Make sure you got everything centered up based on the different headlight configurating holes. If you do notice that the previous little slats that were there for the push clips are where you're going to be putting your actual mounting bolts that's going to hold this grill on. Now for this one, we did go with the turn signal kit as well. It is sold separately, but to do that, go ahead and you want to get a paint marker or something to mark off your holes, centering those holes, and you're going to need to drill it out with the hole saw so that way you can recess the back of those turn lenses. So we surprisingly found out that to access these, we're going to go ahead and remove the bull bar and the winch plate. But to do that, the nut is inside the frame rail just spinning. So bumper's got to come off now. So as we wrap this project up, we just wanted to notate that everything was pretty much straightforward, clear and simple. Again, once you get the, if you have the bull bar off, you can have access to drilling out the holes for the turn lenses. And now while we have the bull bar off on this vehicle, we're going to go ahead and put a winch on it. So now would be the time to do that if you're looking at doing that. Now something we do want to notate is that when you are putting in the retainer bolts for this clip, these top two are really hard and difficult to get in here. So what we ended up doing was we found where they needed to be as the clip was centered up, and from that point we went in ahead and we marked within that little slot that was already there, and we filed it out a little bit bigger, and we went ahead and put in a nut cert. That made it so that way we were able to just bolt these in as if there was a permanent nut from the factory behind that plate. So that's something you can do or not do, it doesn't matter. We just found it helpful. Other than that, everything fit very well, and you know, headlights went right back on the way they came off and closed everything up pretty nice. So we hope your project goes just as smooth as ours did. If you have any questions or concerns, comment below and we'll follow up with you. And as always, please subscribe and give us a like.